Well, we haven't run this one in a while. My daughter's complained about the servo on it, so this is going to be just a quick fix. You know, I'll pop in and out. I got these servos a while ago and I forgot about them. So it's time to upgrade this so we can get this out on the track. That's the biggest complaint she has with this, is the steering is a little slow. So it's also one we broke the steering servo on, but this is a great machine. So it's a 903 A. It's the brushed version. If we upgrade anything else, we also upgraded the shocks on this. We put a second set on that just to make it a little less bouncy. Stole them off of the Piranha, I think, because we upgraded the Piranha with oil filled. So anyways, the plan is hopefully we'll get both those out tomorrow or next day, or so it's a quick fix, and then you'll see me run her, or I'll be right back with it in there. Sorry. Jeez, man. Oh, rough night. So on this servo, I didn't realize it, but you'll have to cut the tabs off, so in order to fit in there, but it's not a big deal. Just take your old loppers and they snap right off. Otherwise it won't have clearance. Clearance. Anyways, stupid joke. Hey, make myself laugh. So yeah, other than that, it'll just slap right in there. And I'll be back till they're all buttoned up, and we'll give it a little test try. Alright, well, we're back. This is the old one. Ended up having to use the file because if you look, that's pretty down there. So snipping it wasn't quite enough to get it in there, so it was a little tight. So I had to file it, but I think it turned out pretty good. Now, this ain't the best controllers to stock, but very cool. Time to get her back out on the track. Alright, let's try that again. And this is 903A. Stock lithium ion, 7.4 2S. And only added one set of friction shocks on the back and a new metal geared steering servo. The one that was with it was really lacking. That was the biggest complaint from my daughter. So now we did break the steering servo on this once before. It's a servo saver, not the servo itself. But I did get a replacement. Really don't like it, so I went with this straight. Might burn up the servo, but it might not. Who knows? We don't drive this thing too crazy. Plan is to upgrade this guy to we did try it on 3S last time we were here, and it almost fried it. Turtle. But we'll probably upgrade this to brushless at some point. I don't know if we're going to go 24 or a light 20. We'll see. But she rips. I dig it. We'll have to get her on the track again. It's been a while. had one handy. Like and subscribe, all that. Just a short one, just a test rip. If the servo works good, and I think it does. Gonna love it.